everyone, I am Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Today, I would like to share with you the making of an improvised PVC soap mold together with my beloved father. Before we start, I'd like to thank you for joining me again this week. If you are new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon to keep you posted of my soap making video, DIY tutorials, and a lot more. Soap making is my passion, so I'd really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we can learn and grow together. So, let's get started. My father already pre-cut the PVC according to my preferred dimension. And for today, let us focus on the making of the cap because I feel that is the trickiest part. What he did was to cut the cap into half and then use the grinder to remove the sharp edges. Anong size ng PVC kung malaki pa? Ha?
Number 3.
Ito.
2.
Number 3, 3 inches, hindi.
3 inches to.
Okay.
Ito, 3 inches. Yan, 2. Pero kulang sa 2 yan.
Unang kuha.
Ito kanina. Dumagaan lang siya. Konting palo na lang yan. Papasok na lang. Tapos madali na siya. Masikip pa rin eh. Pero kakailanganin mo lagyan ng oil eh. Kaya lilihain pa ito.
Papalalagyan ko pa yan ng liner plastic.
Sa loob?
Hindi na.
Tutok-tokin mo ba, para kumigpit. Para sumagad siya. Pagka test mo, pag umagalaw, pa ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya full na akuan. Paikit na. Pwede ka na mag-ibajaw-bajaw.
Uy, naka-video ka! Bajaw-bajaw ka yan. Naka-video si Papa, pwede na ito mag-bajaw-bajaw. Galvanized.
Pagka nagpit mo na kaya, kasi kung kasama pa ito, masyadong mahigpit. So pagka magtatanggal ka yun, ito na eh. Ay, ito. Pero kung malilihapan natin yan,
Sige, dali na.
yun. Matatanggal na rin. Ito lang lilihain.
I told my father that I would like him to teach me on how to make an improvised PVC soap mold so that I can share it with you. This video was recorded in January 2018, a few months before my father had fallen sick and went in and out of the hospital. He passed away in January 28, 2019 at the age of 62. That was more than a year ago. I shared this video in memory of him. My father is a retired military soldier and, as you would expect, is tough and a disciplinarian. He has the biggest heart and the funniest person that I've ever known. He is my one and only idol. I love him so much. He had always been very supportive of my soap making hobby. I remembered making my first soap when I was 13 years old and he was around to supervise me. He also taught me on how to properly handle sodium hydroxide back then. He funded most of my DIY projects and mini experiments. He helped me to find my passion and helped to ignite my love for science. I owe everything to him and my mama. What they did to me back then is a big contributing factor of who I am today. He used the galvanized sheet to make the cover. Basically, he used the PVC to trace the circles, and now he is cutting it. Now he is polishing the galvanized sheet to remove the sharp edges. Paano yung buuin? Buuin mo nga. Buuin mo nga. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed what I shared, please leave a like and a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Until next time, bye-bye!